this is Miss Luke, and today we're going to be looking at order of operations or expressions, which is just another word for equations. When you solve order of operations, you'd solve in a particular order. First, you solve parentheses, then you solve exponents, which we are not going to talk about because we don't do that in 5th grade. Then you solve multiplication or division straight across, and then addition or subtraction straight across. So let's take a look at how that would look in a problem like 4 plus 6 times 2. First we don't have parentheses, so we're going to do multiplication or division. 6 times 2 is 12. Now we're going to do the last step, which is add or subtract. 4 plus 12 is 16. So the final answer to this equation is 16. Let's compare that to if we had one with parentheses, where we'd solve that first instead. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then we're going to do the multiplication or division, and 10 times 2 is 20. So when we add parentheses, that changes the answer from 16 to 20. What if there are two sets of parentheses? Well, in that case, you're just going to solve them straight across as you come to them. So for this one, 2 times 4 is 8, and 9 times 10 is 90. There's no multiplication or division, so we won't worry about that. But then we go on to do addition or subtraction. So we're going to add those two together. 90 plus 8 is 98, so our final answer, 98. Let's take a look at a couple more examples where we have multiplication and division, and we're going to focus on how we do it straight across just like we're reading it. So this one doesn't have any parentheses, so we won't solve that. We'll solve multiplication and division first. All we have is multiplication, and so 9 times 2 is 18. Now we have the rest of that equation to solve. And again, when you solve it left to right, just like as you're reading it, in this case, subtraction comes first. 50 minus 18 comes first, so that's what we will solve first. And 15 minus 18 is 32. Now we're going to do what comes second, which is addition. Add 4, and we get 36. Let's try one more example. This one has multiplication and division, and again, we're going to solve this problem straight across. So left to right, 9 times 10 comes first. So that's 90. Then we do our division, 90 divided by 5, and that gives us 18.